What is machine learning? Is it the reason your phone unlocks with your face? Is it how Netflix always knows what you'll binge next? Or is it something bigger, something that's quietly reshaping how the world works? Today, we're unraveling the core of modern AI. What machine learning is, how it works, and why it matters more than ever. Welcome to Unravel, Technology and Innovation. In this channel, we simplify the world of technology and innovation, so you can understand how it all works, no matter your background. Let's start with the basics. Machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence that allows computers to learn from data, without being explicitly programmed for every single task. Instead of following rigid instructions, these systems find patterns, learn from them, and make decisions or predictions based on what they've seen. Here's a simple example. Imagine you want a program to tell the difference between cats and dogs in photos. With traditional programming, you'd need to write thousands of rules. If it has whiskers and pointy ears and a tail shaped like this, then it's a cat. But with machine learning, you don't write the rules. You show the system thousands of labeled images of cats and dogs and let it find the patterns itself. It builds its own logic, often in ways even humans don't fully understand. But how does it actually do that? At the heart of most machine learning is a model, essentially a mathematical system trained on huge data sets. It looks at examples, learns patterns, and builds statistical rules to make future predictions. There are three major types of machine learning. 1. Supervised learning. This is the most common type. The system is trained on labeled data, meaning every input has a known output. Think of a spam filter. You feed it thousands of emails marked spam or not spam. It learns the patterns that separate the two and applies them to new messages. 2. Unsupervised learning. Here, the system gets raw data, without labels. It has to find the structure or groupings itself. This is how algorithms discover customer segments, spot hidden patterns in financial markets, or group similar news articles. 3. Reinforcement learning. This is more like how humans or animals learn. An agent takes actions in an environment, gets rewarded or penalized, and gradually learns the best strategy through trial and error. It's used in things like robotics, gaming, and even autonomous vehicles. Now, let's go a level deeper. How does machine learning actually learn? Imagine a model is trying to predict house prices. It starts with a guess, compares it to the real price, and calculates the error. Then it adjusts its internal parameters slightly to improve the guess. This process repeats over and over, sometimes millions of times, until the predictions are accurate enough. This cycle is called training. Once trained, the model can then make predictions on new, unseen data. That's called inference. But machine learning isn't magic. There are limits. Models can be biased, especially if the training data contains human biases. They can overfit, performing well on training data, but poorly in the real world. And most importantly, they don't understand in the way humans do. They recognize patterns, not meaning. Still, the impact of machine learning is everywhere. It's in your search results, social media feeds, GPS directions, voice assistants, and online shopping recommendations. It powers medical diagnoses, financial fraud detection, language translation, and even scientific discovery. But it also comes with real challenges. Bias in algorithms can lead to unfair decisions. Opaque models can make critical systems hard to audit. And as machine learning gets better at mimicking humans, it raises deeper questions about trust, transparency, and control. So where is this all heading? Machine learning is evolving rapidly, especially as it combines with powerful computing and massive data sets. It's leading to smarter tools, more personalized systems, and new forms of creativity, like AI-generated music, art, and text. But like any powerful tool, its impact depends on how we use it. Understanding machine learning isn't just for engineers or scientists. It's becoming essential knowledge for anyone living in the 21st century, because these systems are already shaping the decisions that affect your life, whether you see them or not. And the more you understand them, the better equipped you'll be to question them, guide them, and use them wisely. Have a topic you're curious about? Let us know in the comments, and hit subscribe so you don't miss what's next. As we continue to unravel the world of technology and innovation, one concept at a time.